To provide a comprehensive view of the I Am Strength Award, here are several subcategories with examples. Number 1. Health and Healing. Example: a wellness center that offers holistic health services and education to promote overall well-being. Number 2. Nutrition/food. Example: a community garden initiative that provides access to fresh produce and nutrition education. Number 3. Environmental protection/sustainability. Example: an organization that implements programs to reduce waste and promote sustainable practices in the community. And number 4. Drug abuse prevention/treatment. Example: a rehabilitation program that offers comprehensive support for individuals seeking to overcome substance abuse. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development.
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
Your business is our priority.